Hey, so hope you're having a good day. Um, for me, it's Friday. It's a great day. It's a beautiful day outside. I don't know when you'll be watching this, but I hope it's a great day for you as well. Let's talk about functions and relations. A relation is a you have two sets of numbers that are related to each other. So, um, for example, here's a relation. Say like I went outside and looked at some trees. If I counted the branches on a tree and then measured how high it was, and then I did that for several trees and wrote down the data for each one, the number of branches each one had, and then the height of each one, that would be a relation. So two kinds of information that are related to each other. And a function is a special kind of relation in which each each input has exactly one output. So that's kind of the rule for functions. So you can look at relations in table format like this, but that gets kind of tedious. And if you have a bazillion numbers, it could get I don't know, it could be kind of a pain to figure out, well, does each number here have exactly one number associated with it over here? So I think it's really nice to graph the relation, and there's a way of telling just by graphing the relation whether it's a function or not, and that's called the vertical line test. We'll do the vertical line test, and we'll just immediately know whether it's a function or not. We don't have to look at all the numbers. So let's graph each one of these relations. We got branches to height of the tree, or then we have aardvarks to dandelions. Let's say like I just went outside and counted how many aardvarks I saw and then how many dandelions I saw, and I did that several times and I wrote down the information. Okay, let's graph these and let's do the vertical line test to see if they pass or if they fail. Okay, so we'll just um, graph these guys here. We'll call the input the x. Put that on the x-axis. So I'll just label this guy. It's good practice. You should label what you're graphing. So we'll call this branches. Let me just call that B for short, if you don't mind. Uh, hello, branches. Call that B for short, and then height. Um, height in meters. Okay. So let's graph this point. Um, so branches is 2, the height is 3. Wait, I was gonna move these. Yeah, this is easier for me. So we got branches 2, height 3, branches 4, height 6, 4, 6, and then we've got 8, 12, and 12, 18. I don't think I even have 18 on the so 15, 16, 17, 18. Ah, it almost fit. Okay, so the vertical line test says if you can draw a vertical line connecting 2 points on your graph, what you have graphed is not a function. Or put it another way, if you draw a vertical line on your graph and you're not connecting 2 points, then it is a function. So just draw a line here. We'll just move it around. Let's make that, what do you think? Maybe, yeah, kind of like a red like that. Boom. So is there anywhere on my graph where I can connect 2 points just by putting a vertical line there? No, I'm only connecting 1 point whenever I draw a vertical line on this graph. Okay? So being that passes the vertical line test, this this relation here, branches to height, that is a function. Alright, let's graph this guy here. Kind of like in a cheap novel, you can probably guess how it's going to end here. Well, take a wild guess. Is this going to be a function? Alright, so let's graph it. Let's relabel our axes first. It's good practice. Got to say where you're graphing. Okay. Boom. So we'll put aardvarks on the x-axis. So A. Let's make that yellow. And then dandelions on the y-axis. So that's D. Kind of looks like a fish. Okay, there we go. D. And let's graph these points. So we've 2 aardvarks and 5 dandelions. We've got 4 aardvarks and 8 dandelions. We've got 4 aardvarks and 10. So 4, 10 dandelions. And we've got 12 aardvarks and 12 dandelions. So let's do our vertical line test. So if we can draw a vertical line between 2 points on the graph, then our relation is toast. It's not a function. So that's okay. That's okay. Uh-oh. Boom. Vertical line that connects 2 points on the graph. Ding, ding, ding. This is not a function. Okay, it's a relation. It's just not a function. So what this test allows me to do is I could even not even know any of the points being considered. I could just have the graph and I'll know immediately whether it's a function or not. Like, I could give you a graph of a circle and you could tell me in 0.5 seconds, boom, not a function. So you're connecting 2 points on the graph. I could give you this crazy curve and you would say, yeah, I can't connect any 2 dots with a vertical line. Yep, it's function, pass. I could give you something weird like that. And you'd say, oh yeah, boom, you can connect 2 lines. In fact, you can, or 2 points. In fact, you can connect 3 points. Boom, boom, boom. Definitely not a function. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Not a function.